Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to make your QuickBooks Online Advanced experience more personalized and efficient, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and use custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced, step by step. This is the full 2025 guide you've been waiting for. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tailor your QuickBooks to match your unique business needs perfectly, so make sure you stick around. Custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced are powerful tools that let you store and track information that isn't included in the default fields. Whether it's customer preferences, project codes, or internal tracking numbers, custom fields make your data more meaningful and accessible. Let's start with creating them. Access the Custom Fields section. First, log into your QuickBooks Online Advanced account. Go to the gear icon in the upper right corner, then select Custom Fields. Here you'll see the option to create a new field. Set up a new field, click Add Field. You'll be prompted to give it a name. This should clearly represent the type of data you want to track, like customer type, project ID, or invoice category. Choose the field type. QuickBooks allows you to create text, number, date, and drop-down fields. For example, if you want to categorize clients, a drop-down menu is perfect. For tracking purchase orders, a text field might be more appropriate. Apply the field to forms. Next, decide where this field will appear: invoices, estimates, sales receipts, or all of them. You can even make it internal only, so it's visible to your team but not your customers. Save and activate. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save. Your custom field is now active and ready to use across the selected forms. Now, how do you actually use them? When creating a new invoice, estimate, or form, you'll now see your custom field appear automatically. Simply fill it in just like any other field. These fields are also searchable and filterable in reports, meaning you can track data more efficiently and gain insights that were previously hidden. One powerful feature of QuickBooks Online Advanced is that you can create up to 48 custom fields and use them to enhance your workflows, whether it's tracking sales reps, adding project-specific details, or managing specialized inventory data. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and use custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced for 2025. By customizing your fields, you're not just adding extra boxes, you're building a smarter, more tailored accounting system that works the way you do. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and leave a comment below letting me know which custom fields you plan to create first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.